Dude, I need to cut a long board. Nah, not that kind of board. So I've just ripped down a piece of MDF, and that is about 20 centimeters wide. And that's going to be the base for the saw to slide up and down on. Then I'm going to hold it on using the rip guide slots. 12mm wide, 2mm thick. Put it into the rip guide slots, and I can tighten it down, and the saw has another one at the front, so I'll use two. Arrgh! Time for some glue and some clamps, and we'll come back to this in the morning, me hearties. So I've managed to knock down that edge with the table saw, and now she's running real smooth, real nice. So now it's time to cut some aluminium bar, and then glue on the next strips on top. I'm just finishing up version 1.0 of this contraption. This MDF seems to flex a bit too much. Well, that's it for this, what I'll call the first prototype of this contraption. If you have any ideas about how it could be improved, let me know in the comments. But for now, I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out, and I wanted to cut up that plank, that scaffold plank, and it did just fine. So can't be happier than that. Alright guys, cheers. Dude, is that Sean Boyd? What did he make? Sean Boyd made this.